All right, we are on 7.4. There are only 6 lessons in this section, so we only have this one and 2 more before you take your section test. Make sure to pause the video if you fall behind in the notes. Practice saying the answers before you hear me say them, and be sure to write down any questions that you have. So let's get started. On page 130, we're going to talk about prepositional phrases as adjectives. So you already know what a prepositional phrase is. So for your warm-up, you're going to underline the prepositional phrases in these sentences. Go ahead and pause the video, copy these down, and underline the prepositional phrase. For number 1, you are correct if you underlined for the game. For is showing the relationship of why you bought the tickets or for what you bought the tickets for. Number 2, you're correct if you put for my entire family, because that shows the relationship of who the doctor is a doctor to. And number 3, you are correct if you underlined on the corner. That shows position, that shows where the store is. So an adjective phrase is a prepositional phrase that describes a noun or a pronoun. Remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing, like the store, like the tickets, like Dr. Wilson. And a pronoun would be he, she, we, etc. Go ahead and pause the video and quiz yourself on the following sentence, and then read whether or not you are correct. All right, we're going to do exercise 1 together. I'm only going to write the answers of 3 questions, and you only need to write the answers of 3 questions for your notes, but you should practice the other questions to make sure that you understand. Number 1, it says, identify the adjective phrase or phrases in each sentence. So you're basically going to do exactly what we did in the warm-up. The international customs for flowers vary. Pause the video and try and guess that one on your own. You are correct if you said for flowers. Number 2, suppose friends in Japan. Hi.
Sorry.
For number 2, it says, suppose friends in Japan invite you home. Pause the video and try to answer that one on your own. You are correct if you said in Japan. Number 3, a small gift from the guest is expected. Pause the video and try to answer that one. You are correct if you said from the guest. The rest of the answers are, for number 4, of cut flowers. Number 5, for sick people. And for courting couples. Number 6, in France. Number 7, of lilies of the valley. Number 8, of friendship. Number 9, for Europeans, and of bad luck. Number 10, with mourning, and of that color. And number 11, in the United States, and of flowers or candy on special occasions. If you have any questions, make sure you write them down to ask me on Zoom tomorrow. You're going to complete exercise 2 and 3 on Google Classroom. I did the first ones for you. Let me know if you have any questions at all.